Hello guys, today we will see nomenclature of alkenes. So general formula of alkene is CnH2n. So we'll start from ethene. So when we put n is equal to 2, we get C2H4, that is ethene. For n is equal to 3, we'll get C3H6 for propene. For butene, n is equal to 4, so C4H8 for butene, and so on. C5H10 for pentene, C6H12 hexene, heptene C7H14, octene C8H16, nonene C9H18, and decene C10H20. So general formula of alkene is CnH2n. And now we'll see some examples. So give IUPAC name for the following compounds. So first compound is this. Okay, so the two bigger group in between this is CH3, and in between H and CH3 again CH3 is bigger group. So bigger group are on the same side, therefore it is cis. Okay, and now we can number. So it is a 4-membered carbon skeleton, so butene, and double bond is in between second and third carbon. Okay, so lower number is preferred, so cis 2 butene. Next example. So longest chain is of 5 carbons. Okay, but we will numbering is done in this fashion. Okay, why? Because this double bond is near, it is in second position. Okay, it is the functional group, so that's why numbering is done from right to left. And CH3 is on 4th carbon, so 4 methyl, and double bond is between 2 and 3, so 2 pentene, or we can write pen2ene. So 4 methyl pen2ene. Next example is this. Okay, now our double bond is here. So first we have to draw the carbon skeleton. So carbon skeleton can be like this. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to take functional group in the carbon skeleton. So alkene is the functional group here, and numbering is done from alkene side. If we have done numbering from here, then alkene come at 3rd carbon, so that is wrong. Okay, so numbering is done from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So second position have ethyl as substituent, so 2 ethyl. Okay, and double bond is between first and second carbon, so 1. Okay, lowest number butene, so 2 ethyl 1 butene. Next example. Now the longest chain is of 6 carbons, and now we have to number that. So numbering will be from here. Okay, if we done numbering from left to right, then what happens? From left to right, double bond comes on 3rd carbon, and from right to left again it comes on 3rd carbon. But what is the difference? This CH3 group from right to left is near, that is in second position, and if we number from left to right, it will come on 5th position. Okay, so we have to number from right to left. Okay, so this will cancel out. So name will be, so substituent is first, so 2 methyl 6 carbon, therefore hex, and double bond is in between 3rd and 4th carbon, so 3 ene. So name is 2 methyl hex 3 ene. The next example. So there are 3 double bonds, so it will be triene. So we can number from here, or we can number it from here, both are same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 carbons are there, therefore hexene, and double bond is between one and second carbon, double bond is 1, Then next double bond is between third and fourth carbon, so that is 3. And last double bond is in between fifth and sixth carbon, so for that we will write 5. So 1, 3, 5 hexatriene. 6 carbons are there, therefore hexa, and 3 double bonds, one at first position, second as third, and third double bond at fifth position, so triene. And now we will see how to draw the structure of alkenes where name is given. So write the name of write the structural formula for each of the following compounds. First is 1-butene. So for 1-butene, just draw 4 carbons, okay, and then double bond is at one position, means double bond is in between first and second carbon. So double bond is between first and second carbon, so therefore 1-butene, okay. And last you will draw the hydrogen atoms, okay. So this carbon will have 2 hydrogens because it is making already 2 double bond, already 1 double bond, okay. So valency of carbon should be maintained 4. According to that we have to write the hydrogens. Next is trans 2-butene. So first draw the double bonds and then draw 2 CH3 trans to that, and then finally draw the hydrogen atoms. We'll get trans 2-butene. Next example is 3-methyl 1-butene. So first draw, so there is butene, so first draw 4 carbon atoms and draw methyl group on the third carbon atom, okay. So first we have drawn 4 carbon atoms, methyl group is on the third carbon atom, and double bond is on first position, so it is in between first and second carbon atom. So 3-methyl but 1-ene or 1-butene. Next example 1,3-butadiene. So first draw the 4 carbons and then draw double bond on the first carbon and third carbon. So 1 is in between first and second carbon and 3 is in between third and fourth carbon. So and finally draw the hydrogen atoms according to valency of carbon. And last example 3-methyl 1,3-pentadiene. So pentane, so first draw 5 carbons, then third carbon have methyl group, we can number, so third carbon have methyl group, and 1 and 3, okay. So 1 position is this in between first and second carbon, and 3 position is in between third and fourth carbon, okay. So it is satisfied, and finally draw the hydrogen atoms according to how much bond carbon makes. Thank you for watching the video.